Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide following list on Instagram, and is it possible? Well, we all know that if you want to hide your following here on your Instagram, you must be under private account first. So as you can see here, if I want to hide my following or followers list, then I'm going to switch it to private. So click these three lines, scroll down, tap this account privacy, and toggle on this private account. So switch your private account, switch to private, then no one can see your following or followers list except your friends. Okay, now what if you wanted to hide this to a specific friend here on your Instagram? There's no option for that. But the best thing to do here is to remove that followers on Instagram so that the followers couldn't see or will not know your activity here on your Instagram, such as your following this person cannot view anymore. So go to your followers and then remove that followers here from your followers section. And then another thing is that you can also restrict someone so that this person or this user can only have limit access to your Instagram application or Instagram account. So tap the three lines at the top right corner, scroll down till you see restricted. Tap this one, click next. And then what you're going to do here is to simply search and look for the specific friend or followers here on your Instagram. And then once you found him or her, what you're going to do next is to click restrict. Then this person has limited access to your Instagram account. Okay, so that's how you simply hide followers or following lists on Instagram. You have to switch to private account or you can remove this person because this option that you can hide following list on your Instagram to your followers doesn't exist. So it's either you have to switch to private or remove that person from your followers list. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.